how to change oil on GLK350. First of all, you need to buy all synthetic oil. We use 040 for the South Carolina, and we need the filter, and this is the filter. AutoZone has those free of charge if you buy 5 US quarts and the gaskets. What do you all need? We also bought ramps out there, and I will find a position where our lower spot in the grass, and we kind of park on concrete. We got double space underneath. Next thing, we need to open the hood right here. You can access oil right from the top, but you will need to remove this cover in order to be able to. We will need oil, 7-quart collector, and we have to remove all these nuts to get this bumper cover off. The removing cover, there's a 13mm socket, goes right here. So use gloves. Now go to the top and unscrew the top filter off. Hands are strong, but I'm going to use the gloves because it's all messy. And this little tool that I had from somewhere. So you can change all those gaskets right here. They come here, here. There's nothing wrong with them, but I changed them because they are offering couple. Just slide this two in like this, and it's ready to go back. Hold the in. Also changed this original black gasket on the lid. Put this one because this was kind of weak. Usually looks like the dripping is stop. It's always full, but I always try to run a little bit more for a second or two. That should be enough. Get extra oil out. So it's a 7 quart. It will be hard to drain it. It's still dripping. I'll wait a few seconds. Now it stopped dripping, so we tighten this back again. Probably going to shock you. I'm always for using I'm using these water bottles all the time. I'm always for using them. Plastics. There you go. And we're gonna dump this whole thing in another so we'll dump this whole thing in. And I do really think that's hopefully enough. Check that again. Perfect. Now we will run our engine for a few seconds, and then we'll get this car down so it's level, and we'll test it how much is oil in there, because we drain it from the filter and oil have to go everywhere to fill the item. So it was full like all the way, but now after a little bit should be good. So it's almost full to the third pin. You can do half of it. It's about half of the mark. That's good. Next thing, we use original Mercedes filters. I actually obtained them from not a store but elsewhere. So we remove the pins right here with a screwdriver like this, so get them loose. So we don't want to break this part right here. Now there is a little bit of force need to be involved. There's a pin on the back right here. You have to clip it open right here. And when you open, pull gently all up, just like this. Managing, watching everything around. Yeah, this is it was broken before. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna glue this. A little repair. Just like this. This one is good, but I'm going to detach it as well. So be careful. Right over here below is the pin. That's the sensors right there. Don't make sure the water doesn't get inside. And this is, you will need a wrench, Allen wrench, to get this out. And you use a T25. Don't worry, bolts won't fall. They are kind of in touch. And after 4 remove, slide this thing upside down. I don't even know if my filter is bad. It's actually not bad, not bad. But all these bags, so I don't know, honestly. I think it's all good, but I'll change it since I have the filters. It's even safe to wash this if you want. Same with the other one. Second one is better as the first one with all these bags. They're good filters, but I'll change them anyway. I can do this way or this way. And make sure this is in place, because that's what is holding your engine cover, these filters. This is what does your engine look like. We used to change the cups on the back for the oil, remember? Did the video how to change this oil leak from the back. It's all new cups, nothing's leaking. Very good. I was wondering who is making noise in my home. So I got this woodpecker. So it doing this like once a week. He's making this noise. I was thinking my roof is broken. Anyway, tip, I use this mastic last time on another piece of my tube, so I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm just applying this mastic in between over here. Probably gonna put on pause since my hands need to be, I need a second hand. So anyway, you kind of go around here and tuck it together. This thing's called 1 minute dry mastic gasket. So just press it all the way around. There you go. Just like this, and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and it will dry and it will hard as brand new. Make sure it's always sit on the back. It's always, and then you have a hook right here. Clip it. So it's set flat. Then we'll use our air connectors. One is ready, and there's another one we were gluing. It's all ready to go. It's all nice and neat. And the last thing is make sure everything's tight, nice and clean. Our pins is in place. This one pin is loose again. It's actually gone right there. Jeez, gotta pick this up. I got a little stencils right here. There you go. Okay, got it. As long as this thing is close to each other like this one, just like that, so they can fit inside those holes. There you go. That would be considered changing oil and the filters with less than 1 hour. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.